I woke up today really feeling a bagel sandwich. I want to do it right. I want to do a good one. So that's led me over to Jeff's Bagel Run. Boom, bagel secured. Jalapeno cream cheese. Heading over to Jeff's Bagel Run and trying these bagels for what's the first time. He boils and bakes all his bagels. I got a rosemary salt, delicious, Asiago everything, not Asiago, jalapeno. They also have this jalapeno cream cheese that they make there. And it inspired me to, instead of just make a regular bacon, egg, and cheese, I think I'm gonna make a Juicy Lucy bacon burger. So what a Juicy Lucy is when the center of the burger patty is stuffed. We're gonna use some of this ground Kobe that I got from Publix because Kobe's the best, right? Not a bad quality meat. To start, I only really want about a quarter of this. In the center, give it a little dimple. So a lot of people will use like cubed cheese in here. I really want to use, I'm just gonna take 1 good tablespoon of this Bagel Run cream cheese because it's awesome. You get that nice and centered, and then pretty much take the other portion of the meat that you hadn't used and layer up. This is a thick burger. Our patty of ridiculous proportions. And get this bagel back on there. Get that cheese a little melty and get it a little warm again. I pat the bacon down, let the bacon get a little crispy as it settles, like the meat in the burger. Let those juices settle. The final thing for the burger is going to be this Chipotle Gouda, this boar's head, because that is delicious stuff. And we're just going to melt it. Now it's time for this burger to get assembled. Guess that was easy. See how juicy we got this. That cheese isn't running out of there, but I can smell it. So, did I nail a Juicy Lucy? No. But is this a really good cream cheese stuffed burger to be reckoned with? I would say that with the jalapeno Asiago bagel and that jalapeno cream cheese in there, with that spicy Chipotle Gouda, that's a money shot.